chalkboard wall ideas. Turn toy cupboard doors into chalkboards. Painting blackboard paint onto toy cupboard doors completely transforms their use and presents a brilliant and practical solution for creating an interactive and imaginative play space for children. By converting the doors into chalkboard paint surfaces, kids can unleash their creativity and artistic flair, drawing, doodling, and writing to their heart's content. It also encourages imaginative play, storytelling, and educational activities, promoting brain development and self-expression. Use fun-shaped chalkboard wall stickers. Incorporating fun-shaped chalkboard wall stickers into a children's bedroom is a delightful and imaginative way to create an interactive and personalized space for your little ones. These enchanting stickers not only add a themed touch to the room, but also allow kids to explore their artistic side and draw to their heart's content. From adorable animals to robot and heart shapes, the possibilities are truly endless, making their bedroom space into their very own enchanted playground. These chalkboard stickers offer a completely mess-free application and are easily changeable should your children's tastes and interests change. Utilize the back of a door as a chalkboard. Utilizing the back of an internal door in your kids' room or playroom as a chalkboard not only optimizes the use of space in their room, but also transforms the door into an interactive, engaging, and useful area. Children can not only scribble or write on the door, stopping them from doing it anywhere else, but it also serves as a practical space-saving solution, as the door can now double as a message board that can display schedules, to-do lists, and loving notes. Simply apply chalkboard paint to the door panels or paint the whole door with chalk paint. Let it completely dry, and you're good to go. Go rustic and keep the chalkboard in frame. Chalkboards don't have to only be painted on or directly stuck to your wall. There are many stylish and decorative framed options to choose from. One example is this chunky, rustic wood frame chalkboard that has been hung in this dining area. It acts as a creative place for writing personalized messages to welcome guests or convey seasonal greetings, enhancing the warm and inviting ambience of the dining room. Additionally, the framed chalkboard becomes a focal point during gatherings of family or friends, enabling guests to leave fun messages or drawings, making mealtimes a more memorable and interactive experience. Chalkboard paint an entire kid's bedroom wall. Painting a whole wall in a kid's bedroom with chalkboard paint offers them a vast, exciting, and interactive space where creativity can run wild. From sketches and drawings to short stories or personal thoughts, the chalkboard wall becomes a place for them to express themselves, giving them a sense of ownership and pride. Chalkboard walls like this also function as a highly practical area for scheduling school tasks, to-do lists, chores, and reminders, adding very useful functionality to the room. To read all 12 of my chalkboard wall ideas, please click the link in the description.